Hello friends, it's me, Anurag. Here I will show you the functionalities and importance of spacer in the Vayu blocks. In the default WordPress spacer you will get very few features, but in Vayu blocks the features and functionalities are awesome. In this video, you will get to know how to use spacer. This is our site. Here, you can see there is a very small gap between the paragraph and the button. We will put the spacer between them to make it appear good. Let's get started. First, open the site editor. Now open the blocks and search Vayu. This is the spacer. You can adjust the height of the spacer with this line smoothly. This section is to put an animation. The animation enhances the entry of any block. You can choose between lots of animations. Here you can adjust the delay and speed as you want. This is typing animation, but this is available in those blocks where we write text, so we can put the typing animation on them. This is the advanced section. Here you can put additional classes. Now go to the advanced section of the setting. There are more customization options that you can use. In this section, you can control the layout of the heading. These sections are to adjust the padding and margin. And here you can adjust the width of the spacer. You can also choose between absolute and fixed positions. You can control the overlapping with the Z index. Here these options will help you to control the align self, order, and size. In this section, we can create the border and box shadow. Select the border type among the given options. First choose the border width. Then its color. You can do the same for the hover effect. The hover effect makes the block more attractive. To make the corners curved, adjust from the border radius section. Here you will find the box shadow options which will help you to make the block graphical. First of all, choose the color. This line is to adjust the opacity. This is for blur. This is for spread. This is for horizontal. And this line controls the vertical. There are many options to enhance the spacer. You will find some more features and functionalities. As there are more options, we will cover these in another video. Let's check the result now. Save the changes and go to your site. The spacer has been set up and created the gap between the paragraph and the button. It is now looking organized. If you find this video helpful, then like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.